Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and I've made a video kind of like this before, but this is a real life situation that I did in the shop this morning. In this particular case, it's very helpful to me. Somebody sends me an email of 3 names they want name tags for, and if you look at these names, they're not very easy to pronounce. And I'm going to paste them into CorelDraw. Now, maintain doesn't matter that, but it puts it in the center of the page and it puts it in a paragraph text. So what you do is go up to text and convert it to a artistic text. And we're going to make them a little bit bigger so you can see them, and you can see the spelling. I have trouble spelling normal people's name and not these type names. So then we need to go to Control K to break the names apart. Now it brought them in as a different font. In this particular day, I just needed to make 3 name tags. It's for a singing group. So I'm going to delete 3 of the name tags. I just don't need them. Get them out of the way. Now you can see the font used is different than the font I need. So go up to your font and you find out it's Arial 28.01, and it's also bold. You can see a box around the bold. So I'm going to take this name and I'm going to change it to Arial. Well, my computer's a little slow this morning. There's Arial regular. And then I'm going to click, well, and I need to make it bold. And I need to make it 28 points. I'm not worried about the 0.01 because of the fact that these names are too long anyway to fit on there. So I'm going to go Arial, bold, and 28 points. Go Arial, bold, 28 points. So now I've got all the names. So now I'm going to take these names out. But before I do that, just to kind of make them all similar, I'm going to bring in a guideline. Get on your ruler and bring in a guideline, and you can see the guidelines at the bottom of the name. I'm going to delete these previous people's names, and I'm going to bring in this one, and I'm going to put it right here. Now you can see it's too big, but I want the name to be red, so I don't mind squishing this name up a little bit. Then that's selected. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and I'm going to select my name tag, and I'm going to go hit the letter E and C. See what my nudge distance is. I want to set it on 0.1. And now I can nudge this name down. We'll get it close, and then when we get done, we'll tweak them a little bit more. So same thing here. I'm going to bring this name in. It's too long. I'm going to squeeze it. Squeezing or reducing in that way is probably not the best way to do a font, but if you want the font readable, so that's selected. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and get my name tag. I'm going to go CE, and it doesn't really matter what letter you press first. So we're a little bit low on that one. Then we're going to bring in this name, and just for the video, I'm not going to worry about the indexing lines. It's quite a bit larger, but I'm going to hold down the Shift key, select both. I'm going to go CE. Then I'm going to grab my name tag or my name and just cursor it down. So for the video, I'm just going to worry about these two. I'm going to change my nudge distance a little bit less, 0.01. And now I can gradually nudge that down and grab this one and nudge it gradually up. They're in the center because I did the CE trick. And that is how I do it. Especially if you just have a few names. Now, if you have 50 names to change, you're going to use, print merge and all that type of stuff. But just by the time you figure that all out, you could have the name changed. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.